Okay, wait. Geez, there's a lot of you. A lot of you. Not trying to be judgmental, but geez, I'm awesome. Not you guys. You guys are jealous. That sounds totally gay. I should shut the hell up. Yes, I know. Anger is not taking over my body. Oh, I never knew you. I don't know, it's funny. I'm just retarded in a way. So today we're gonna be playing Roblox. Wait, yeah. Oh, you already knew what we were gonna do? Oh, I'm just gonna make sure. We're gonna be doing Roblox a little bit, so. God, that stupid freaking son of Me ears. What? Oh, what? See, it's a Jackson references and I'm copying. I want to know. I'm gonna give them a shout out. But oh my God, this sounds so amazing. They're rigged. It's gonna. I'm so sorry if what's happening, guys. Or, as I can call you, but I don't have high quality yet. I don't know what I'm doing, but I have the right systems and all that. But wait, what? You trying to say I thought I was smart? You don't know who the hell I am then, cause I ain't smart. Really. I'm just trying to say that I'm trying to make good videos, but suck at them. Don't need to put your hands up, but I want to raise the roof. Please, I'm dumb. Mama! She always tells me I'm dumb. You know how embarrassing that is? Though I actually... No, it's not a lag issue. Damn it. It's probably a button that's screwing up on me right now, but you want to do happy or... Okay, so I think there's a problem right now, but unhack stuff like blockers. Oh look, I want to make this guy hit some block. What douchebag! What the? Okay. Wait, I'm gonna put my own car. Okay, great, perfectly car. Oh, jeez, there's a lot of issues already. Look how much that's. Okay, that's not great. That's not great. Okay, great. Damn it. I give up. I'm just gonna walk. So it's good game. Look at this. Welcome to vid. And then you see it right up here. Well, this guy's probably like, what the heck? And I'm probably like, So let me open this door. Whoa, I never knew you meant to be like that. Jeez, don't show me. Oh, I bought that too. I bought it too. Wait, let me open the shop. thank you. Game. I don't think I can actually afford the gun. Too loud. I hate when you do that. No. I will read this gun when I'm able. Guys, I'm really happy I can make a video today, and I will see you all later.